and say, "Can I give you a little dime?"
It's Ron's lucky day. He found out he got the mud.
Yeah.
He's not on the Facebook website or whatever.
Man.
Upset about it because you open Mannheim's, the first thing you see is Ron Dean. That's the first thing you see. Well, I guess that made him think that he's going to have to see him everywhere. I mean, do you think he's going to be on all of them?
I thought that was in his contract.
You probably on auction websites you don't even work at.
Well, I tell you what
Mannheim.
Well, I'm on one that was, we made a video.
Yeah.
That all these new independent dealers come in. They see that video of me, Landon, Mickey Farmer from Oakwood. That's training. The guy sold, ain't no telling how many tapes he sold it.
You ain't got a penny out of it.
Ain't got a penny out of it.
Oh, you got super.
I'd hire me a lawyer on that.
I'm telling you, man.
Hey, ain't got a penny out of it.
I'd hire me a lawyer.
I know it.
And he told us he was just doing it for him to train it. He's selling it.
Been selling it.
Selling it, yeah. When they do the new car dealers, when they come in, he's selling them to them.
There ought to be
Here's
a
your
royalty
training
involved.
Then he brings them to Oakwood and says, "Oh, yeah, I know you. Yeah, nice to meet you. You'll help me." He said you'd help me. I said, "Oh, yeah, I'll help you. Stand right here."
Yes, right. Yeah. What about Donnie Blythe? Donnie Blythe been on lately?
I ain't seen Donnie Blythe.
I ain't seen him. Wooten was on the other day.
Oh,
I hope we get that house.
Our-
Where she get off of me.
gee. Good.
Ooh.
Friend. Yeah.
Well, they
Hey.
probably won't know now, will they?
R.
Might not.
Mark.
4%.
L.
Keep the battery going.
E. Levy. Is. S. T. I. Still. O. On. A. Space. Government watch list. Still on A. D. I. Different. Y. U. Q. P. A. Page. A.
Don't shoot, I'll marry your daughter.
And.
Had to do that, didn't
And.
you? Good steady. Don't get Jefferson.
Thanks for
late.
taking one for the team. And. I'm the baby pappy. A.
Just call me Daddy.
E. Space. And he. D. O. Doesn't even know about us. About. He's still on a different page you don't even know about.
Who's he talking about? Your dad?
No, Mark Levy.
Oh, Mark Lee.
He's still on a totally different website like you. He's on totally something different. He
I
ain't
think
with
we're on a
us.
different planet.
Mac would be that way if it wasn't for Jefferson.
I try to
I
stay
mean,
on different
Maxie
planet.
Price Jr. Let me rephrase that.
How are you? How are y'all? How's everybody? Everybody good?
Every day Saturday. We ain't gonna have no other way.
We got a lot,
better. I
we got a
couldn't
lot of
handle
new
it.
buyers here.
Uh,
I handed out. I
if
handed out Mike's story, but I had when I saw him first. He did these
Everyone.
high fees I had about
Every
everybody that I did. You tell them
day
I'm firing it.
was Saturday
I rang them down, I so bitch, them bitch.
would be C H
Pat,
E
not Pat, but Ed. Yeah, he said, how big is it? We got a clue.
L
Just watching the YouTube.
C H E
Yeah, I said, if I'm saw it on TV.
C
That's a handicap.
checking
Did they get it back working?
Handicap?
checking
I
in
don't know.
cars. He said if every day was Saturday he'd be here checking in cars. Right? That's right. We got a good run. We got several. We got
Senor. Oh, why you waiting there high?
Leave him alone.
He doesn't understand. Don't tell him to go around
We
there
don't
and
want
use
to
the
come up.
bathroom. He's waiting on the toilet.
Now he might make our bathroom smell funny.
I think somebody's locked the door.
No, the men's out. The men, they ain't gonna open it up over. I kind of might have had to get over nose, go in there and get the spray and fumigate it. Somebody died in there.
Y'all come out and see. On a better note, y'all come out and see the auction. We got a good run of cars. Not quite as many we've been having, but we got a few. If y'all didn't happen to know, we're in a nationwide shortage of vehicles.
How many cars we got?
So here's a place to find. What, we got 130, 40?
Used cars up 40%.
Used cars up 40% nationwide. I read that as well.
We got the front bumper coming to that.
H,
Where she
E,
running down there.
They,
We're gonna paint it, put it on
R,
there. Somebody didn't look the damn door.
S, H,
I'm gonna trade that with
I,
I
shipping,
don't know why.
cars, W, weekly, with, O, without, chips. They shipping the cars without the chips. I guess they'll end up on a infield of a NASCAR track somewhere like the rest of them.
Some airport holding lot.
Yeah.
Did you see where Dan actually did that swimsuit?
C,
Picture of
O,
some magazine.
come down and see us. Come down, see us. Let us sell you a car. We'll get you a good car. All right. We got a house full tonight. We always got refreshments out there at AtlantaEastAutoAuction.com. Don't forget the YouTube channel. Don't forget Instagram, TikTok.
TikToking it.
Watch me have to go move them all.
There's all kind of websites out there that's
Just run over
Atlanta
when you
East
go
is
through
on.
there.
So
Me and Ron's getting it started.
Yeah,
y'all go get it started. We right behind y'all. But we appreciate it.
The whole way, right behind.
That's right. Now that the peons is out of the way. No, I'm just kidding. We're going to have a good sale, y'all. It's beautiful weather. The rain let up. Kind of cool out here. A little humid, not too bad. Y'all from Georgia, y'all know. But going to be a good sale. Y'all come on out and see us. 6 o'clock, Monday nights. Bring a friend. Bring money. And come get you a car. If we know it ain't a good car, we ain't going to sell it to you. We're going to sell you a car. We appreciate everybody checking in with us. Don't forget YouTube, Atlanta East Auto Auction, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of them. Any social media website on earth, just put in Atlanta East Auto Auction. Because I don't do social media no more, except for TikTok. And that right there is time consuming. I need to quit it. So anyway, y'all have a good sale. Y'all have a good evening, and come join us at the sale. We'll see y'all.